We were having a lot of fun looking at this today. This is Cheetah. She is reporting January 21st, 2025, about a year ago, as this heavy snow was coming down across the Houston area. This was one of the heaviest snows that you will ever see in Houston. Again, that was January 21st, 2025. Just amazing stuff. That's City Hall. January 21st, 2025. That's crazy. 3, 4, 5 inches of snow plus across the area. So yeah, we can get snow here in Houston every now and then. On a rare day, it's heavy, which is exactly the opposite of what we have had and what we're going to get for the next couple of days. A high near 80 Thursday and Friday. We do get a front coming in Friday night. Got a 40% chance for scattered showers on Friday. And then we do go back to winter, but it's Houston normal winter. Saturday and Sunday, 50s, cloudy, chilly, breezy. And then Sunday, it's 40s and 60s. And we stay comfortably chilly. Again, it's winter Houston style for the next several days after that. So 2 more warm days until the jackets and sweaters come back out. There is no snow in the extended forecast at the moment. I'm always looking for it. I'm a huge snow fan. So if there's even a hint, I will always let you know, but right now, womp womp, there is no hint.